Oh, this? It always looks like that. What are you talking about?
You and me, whether you know me or not, are about to get really, really close. Hey, I'm Nick, and welcome to another Fat Guy Review. This is a video I've been wanting to do for a long time. Just could not find the courage, the guts, the confidence to actually pull this one off. Today, I will be trying on compression shorts by Coolio. Not this Coolio, this Coolio. I've tried the compression shirts. They kind of were meh, so I was told, you know what, you should try the compression shorts. Maybe that'll help you fit into your pants a little bit better, and I think it goes over the gut too. So we're gonna try those on and see if they actually do anything. So about 2 years ago, I bought some pants off of one of these boxes that I unboxed. They were a little too small, but I was like, you know what? They're beautiful. They're soft. They're the nicest jeans I've ever tried on in my life. Even touching them now, like I'm getting goosebumps. They're so nice. And I've never worn them because they were a little too small and all I did was get bigger. I'm a size 42. These are a size 40. Another catch is they were $250. That's right. These jeans are $250 jeans. I've never spent more than $30 on jeans in my life. And so I splurged and I was like, yeah, these are gonna be the ones that I lose weight and get into. 2 years later, still nothing. So let's see if these compression shorts can make my dreams come true. First, the unboxing. Oh, that was fast. That's where my junk's gonna be. So these are the size that I actually wear in pants. These are 2XL. Let's see if I need to go down a size like I do with the compression shirts, or if this size is the right size. But first, let's try on these amazingly comfortable, insanely expensive jeans without the compression shorts for comparison. Oh, it's like butter. Look at that. Smackable ass. Ugh. Oh. Alright, so they got buckled. But ooh. Are they snug? Now that I'm done fondling myself, let's see if I can put these compression shorts on and then put the pants on top and see if they fit better. You might want to look away for a second. So do I put them on over my boxers? Oh god. Oh my god, they're so tight. Oh my god. Is this what you were expecting? Yep, that looks pretty good. Just kidding. I'm just playing. I'm sure you knew that was a joke, right? So now I am gonna put on the same jeans and see if they fit a little bit better. Oh, I was just about to say nice things about these. And then I sat down and my gut just went. Well, that's unfortunate. That means every time I get up, I have to, like, roll them over my stomach. That's not attractive and hard to hide, because I think that would be pretty obvious. It does feel like I'm more compressed than I am with just the shirt. Having it kind of, like, push it all together seems to be more beneficial to me. Anyway, I don't know. Give it a shot. It's by Coolio. You can go to Coolio's website. Oh, you can get 20% off your next order by using the code DOPE. That sounds like my idea, but I can't remember if that was my idea or not. I think I prefer these over the shirt, as long as you don't ever sit down. So I've got to know, what's it feel like with the compression shirt and the compression shorts on? Will I explode? Will I die? I think we're gonna find out. Compression man. Oh god, no, this is never seeing the light of day. Nope. Compression man. If I don't get a subscribe for this, come on. What do I gotta do? What do I gotta do? Hit the button. Just hit it.